Okay, so this is the generator after installing the Eco Kit, trying to duplicate the original video as close as possible. But it was like a few weeks ago I recorded that, so I had to watch it to figure out how to duplicate it. But I think I walked over about here, about 30 feet away. Hey, right about there. And that's the sound of the generator from this distance with the Eco Kit. I'll go close the door now like I did in the original video. Okay, so this is right next to the generator. You can definitely tell it's quieter. Not nearly as much of a jet engine sound, that's for sure. This is basically at idle, too, by the way. It does get louder when you turn on both ACs, but that's to be expected. Alright, backing away again. With the door closed. It's probably still not as quiet as some of the other generators I've heard. Like I had an Onan quiet diesel that I think was probably a little quieter, but the difference between this and the Eco Kit is huge. So the Onan wasn't that much quieter. So definitely worth it. Super, super pleased with this upgrade. I mean, I'm 30 feet away and I'm having, it's just a low hum in the background, having a completely normal conversation with myself and you guys. So, yeah, we'll walk in here. A little windy out, so I don't know if my phone's catching any of that wind noise. Super pleased. I mean, it's still a generator. You can still hear it, obviously. I'm very, very happy.